Okay, thank you very much for your essay. A few things, two things I would like to comment on your essay. I believe that you understood the text, and from the from your essay, um, it is clear that you work together as a team in the group. Yeah. Now, first one, I would like to give you input on minor mistake, but it's bothering the text. You are careless. For example, this one. Yeah, that one grammatically a problem. This one grammar problem. Talk to your friend. This one discuss it in the group. Yeah. Um, this one have a look at that. You're consistent in making these mistakes, so uh, please be alert on that. There were no restriction when there is no restriction. It should be there was, and this is also a problem. So have a look at the sentences so that you are not making the same mistake again later on. Yeah, and this one as well. Um, this one and this one. Yeah, check with your friend. Talk about it. Yeah, look at the subject and the verb, singular and plural. Okay. After comma here, this should be a not capital. One of the most, one of selalu banyak ya, satu dari banyak kan. So check that. Ini coba careless tapi jelek banget. Kalau jelek begini, then people will look down at your English. Okay, minor but essential. So fix that one. Second, I would like to give you a comment about your structure, your linear thinking. Would like to start with your intro. Up to here, that's good, common. It's often create good pleasure and so on. Okay. Likewise, in the economic, very good. Will affect the market in commodities, labor, and asset and debt. Then you said the third one is the easiest to globalize, meaning the asset and the debt. Okay. Terus, there are many reasons and background why the previous sentence is commonly accessed in the world. I don't understand that. Previous sentences, do you mean? Meaning all of them? Yeah, it's not clear. Make it specific on that. Because your introduction is not clear, then your organization of your essay is also not clear. Later, I'm going to give you two examples from your friends, from other groups. This one, the next one, the asset debt market are included in financial asset. Lah, ini Anda kan bilang the third one is the easiest to globalize. Apa itu the third one kan ini kan? Terus di sini Anda tiba-tiba mau ngomong ini financial asset. Jadi apa yang disebut di intro sama yang di sini jelaskan hal lain, nggak nyambung. Then your next paragraph you're talking about history, gitu kan? Terus the next paragraph you're talking about observers. Terus then you stating your opinion, gitu. Then in here in conclusion, globalization exists in our world today. Right now, one of its category, the final asset, is the easiest to globalize. Loh, yang di atas tadi yang issues to globalize yang mana? also plus and minus. We think to solve the financial assets negative aspect, the government and also banks in these countries must take action dan seterusnya. So you giving advice on that. Pertanyaan saya, essay-nya ini tentang apa? Are you going to give advice? Are you going to react to the text? Gitu ya. Jadi karena ini nggak jelas, maka essay-nya jadi kesana kemari. Okay. To make the introduction need high order thinking. Perlu mikir. Dan oleh karena itu saya suruh kerja di kelompok. Kalau kerja sendiri percuma. Ya, nggak akan nyampe. That's the difference between high school English and university English. Not just understand, but you should be able to understand, pinpoint what's important, and then you have to produce that in a piece of writing. Or kadang-kadang in presentation. Gitu ya. Akan saya kasih 2 contoh. Ya, contoh yang pertama. Globalization is the process of increasing connection and communication throughout the world, dan seterusnya. Either for pleasure or for fear. Hampir sama. Gitu kan? That's okay. In the economic, people can face wider opportunities and competition in the market, for instance. Okay? Then you said globalization affects market in terms of commodities, labor, and finance. Sama kan? Then the third type of market, finance, will be the subject of the discussion. So, kelompok ini hanya ingin membicarakan tentang the third type of finance. Nah, untuk membuat ini, need high order thinking. Pakai mikir gitu. Sekarang kita lihat organisasinya ya. Karena ininya jelas, maka organisasinya di sini jelas. Finance is the easiest to globalize, dan seterusnya. Kelemahan kelompok ini tidak dijelaskan di sini, harusnya dijelaskan. Ya. Kalau itu dijelaskan menjadi bagus, jauh lebih bagus. Globalization of finance has long histories. He's talking about finance karena di-mention di sini. Okay? And then globalization continues, floating rates are common nowadays. That's about finance. Gitu. Jadi organisasinya sangat rapi, runtut, terstruktur. Gitu. Saya kasih contoh satu lagi. World Financial Reform Process. Sama. Globalization is the increase economic, dan seterusnya. Sampai sini. Ya. Terus one part of globalization is the economy is the financial sector. Okay. Terus the development of globalization in the financial sector had its development journey. Itu yang mau di-highlight. Teksnya sama, melihatnya dari sisi yang berbeda. Tahapnya stage described below. Ini masih ada kesalahan di sini. Tapi karena ininya jelas, then he said first period, karena dia akan ngomongin journey-nya aja. Second period, the third period, gitu kan? And then the fourth period. Dia jelaskan gitu. Jadi runtut. Gitu. Now, you don't have to rewrite your work. Tapi harus mengerjakan teks yang lain yang ada di psikologi. Okay, you go to psikologi, log in, then click preparation material for final test. Then you go to text for essay writing. Terus pilih salah satu. Tapi nggak boleh transportation, nggak boleh globalization of the world economy, nggak boleh. Karena ini sudah ya. Pilih salah satu yang lain dari sini, yang paling nyaman. Write an essay and then give it to me. Then I'll give you feedback. Thank you very much and looking forward to receiving your artwork. Thank you.